Do you feel stuck and lost and you have started to lose hope? Because I did too until I learned these lessons that changed my life. Stick with me till the end and you'll leave seeing the world and yourself differently. First thing is normalizing accepting things that you cannot change or control. It's okay if you're having a bad day. It's okay if things are not going your way. It's okay if people misunderstand you. Just let it go and find peace. Sometimes when we even give 100% to a relationship, to a job, to a career, anything, things do not work out because of the circumstances, because destiny plays a very big role. So all we can do is move on, find peace. Trust me, you will find new people, you will find new hobbies which will make you feel better. Second, we cannot expect people to react the way we think they should. Do not expect people to understand your traumas, your problems, because you were there when you hit your rock bottom and only you can understand it. Third thing, we live in a world of constant competition. And what's terrifying about being in a competition is that you never want to lose and you always want to keep winning. The reason why so many people, even when they are succeeding in the eyes of society, are not happy because they are in a constant competition and they live in a perilous place with so many enemies around them. Moment you start accepting other people's happiness as your happiness other than your defeat, you will start living life more beautifully. Fourth thing, I hear so many people constantly saying that, oh, I flew into rage, oh, I just snapped. We end up using anger as a tool to prove ourselves right and the other people wrong. Many times in discussions, we reach a point where we stop proving the rightness of assertions and we start proving ourselves right. Admitting mistakes, stepping down from the power, saying words of apology does not mean that you are defeated. Fifth point, pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. Everybody goes through tough times. Nobody is happy all the time, but it's basically about how you channelize those emotions in the right direction. Sixth point, if you change, those around you will change automatically. Stop waiting for people to change, for situations to change. Take the first step forward and change yourself first. Seventh point, separation of tasks can change relationships drastically. And when I say relationships, I do not only mean love relationships, I also mean the parental relationships. A certain degree of distance is very much required in relationships, and when that distance becomes too small, it becomes very difficult to communicate ourselves. Eighth point, you're gonna end up where you belong. You do not know how you'll get there, but that's the fun of it. Every step back, no matter how frustrating it is just a stepping stone. Ninth point, the constant fear of keeping things under control comes from a place of fear, and we should approach it from a place of hope. There are just two ways to walk in life: either walk like a king or do not give a fuck to who the king is. 10th point, forgiveness is a gift that we offer to ourselves. Forgiveness releases us from the wounds that continue to fester if we do not forgive. For example, if a line is drawn and you want to make it shorter, you do not have to rub it off, you just have to draw a bigger line near to it. Similarly, if somebody has hurt you, you do not need to hurt them back, you just have to make yourselves better. 11th and the final point, when you start feeling overwhelmed about the future, just know that this very moment was a complete unknown to you and you used to worry so much about this exact moment. Isn't it funny how every time we make through, we worry about the next uncertain thing? So whenever you start feeling scared, just remember that one day in the future, you will look back and realize that, oh, you made it once again just fine. In the end, I would just say, just surrender yourselves. Do not worry too much. Little bit fear is good because it helps you take protective actions, but too much fear just paralyzes your actions. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because it really helps small creators like me.